Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit Architectural Training Tutorial. In this tutorial, we will start learning about the different tools for collaborative work. Let's begin. When multiple teams collaborate on a project, effectively monitoring and coordinating work can help to reduce mistakes and expensive rework. Use the Copy Monitor tool to ensure that design changes are communicated across teams. When collaborating on a project with other teams, use the Copy Monitor tool to monitor and coordinate changes to important elements of the design. The teams will link models to work on the same building design. Each team maintains its own edition of the model and uses Revit software to develop the design for their discipline. Each model is linked to the other models to share information about changes to monitored elements in the building design. During a typical workflow, the architect designs the architectural model. The structural engineer creates an empty structural model, where the architectural model is linked. The Copy Monitor tool allows you to copy important elements of a building model, providing a starting point for the structural design. Use the Copy Monitor tool to monitor changes to the following types of elements: levels, grids, columns, walls, floors, openings, and MEP fixtures. When monitoring walls, you can specify whether to monitor openings, including openings for doors and windows. When monitoring floors, you can specify whether to monitor floor inserts and openings, such as shafts. The Copy Monitor tool is not intended to be used with the following types of elements: multi-segment grids, slanted columns, in-place elements, design options, and project phasing. Let's copy some levels from a linked model to the current project, and monitor them for changes. Open an existing model or start a new one, and select an elevation view. In the View Properties, for Discipline, select Coordination. This setting ensures that the view displays elements for all disciplines: architectural, structural, mechanical, and electrical. Delete existing levels from the current model, or change the name of this level to original level. Change its extents, far to the left or right of the drawing area, so that you can distinguish it from a copied level and delete it later. Remember, when you delete existing levels, Revit also deletes corresponding plan views for the deleted levels. You will create new plan views based on the copied levels. Now is time to link the model into the current model. Switch to the Link menu tab, Link panel, Link Revit icon. From the pop-up window, select the Revit file to be linked. Pin the linked model in place, so that it cannot be moved inadvertently. You can also display the linked model in halftone, so that you can distinguish its elements from elements in the current model. Start the Copy Monitor tool. Click Collaborate tab, Coordinate panel, Copy Monitor drop-down menu, and click Select Link. Now, select the linked model in the drawing area. Click Copy from the Tools bar. In the linked model, select the levels to copy. To select multiple levels, on the Options bar, select Multiple. Then select the levels in the drawing area, and click Finish on the Options bar. You can use a selection box and a filter to select all levels in the linked model. The copied levels now display in the current model. When you select a copied level, the monitor icon displays next to it to indicate that it has a relationship with the original level in the linked model. Now, you can create plan views for the new levels. If the levels are moved, changed, or deleted in the linked model, you are notified of the changes when you open the current model or reload the linked model. These warnings also display in a coordination review.